Okay. So one of the action for us is very, very clear. Fasting in the month of Ramadan is obligatory on Muslims. So we cannot leave. It's not a choice, except for the sick or those on a journey. We already learned. So if you are sick, if you have a disease, or you're on a journey, then you can complete your count on the later days. However, if you look at the way this ayah started in Ramadan, what is the most important thing about Ramadan? Who will tell me? What is the most important thing about Ramadan? Is it the samosas or the pakoras or the drinks or the fruit chaat or the food that we always think about while fasting? What is the most important thing?
That we get closer.
That we get closer to
Allah.
Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Excellent answer, Umar. Who else? Someone else should also answer. We have Adnan, we have Hafiz, Ismail, Muhammad Ibrahim. Who will answer? Subhan. Any one of you guys. Are you with me? Guys, are you with me? Okay. Alhamdulillah. Excellent. Okay. I heard Adnan as well. Thank you so much. So just take a guess. There is no right or wrong answer. Just tell me, what is the most important thing about Ramadan? Who will tell me?
Qiyamul Layl.
Okay. Excellent answer. MashaAllah. Qiyamul Layl. Which is spending the night in praying Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. This is a sunnah of the Prophet, and it is also, we have learned it from many companions of the Prophet Sahaba Ikram. Excellent, excellent answer. Who else will tell us what is the most important thing about Ramadan? It was mentioned in the ayah as well, by the way, in the previous ayah, the start of the ayah. I've given you guys many hints. Come on, guys. How did the ayah start? Let's see it again. شهر رمضان الذي أنزل فيه القرآن. So what is the most important thing that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying that happened in Ramadan?
The Quran was revealed.
Excellent answer, Hafiz. Thank you so much. So all of you are right. It is important to get closer to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. It is important. One way of getting closer to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is Qiyamul Layl, definitely reading the Quran. And anyways, I mean, we should strive to pray and try to get closer to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala all the months. However, one of the important things that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is, although the guidance, you saw the ayah, the guidance was coming about fasting, right? And still it started with the revelation of the Quran, as Hafiz just said, that the importance of Ramadan for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is that Quran was revealed, which is the guidance for all of us. And even for us, this should be the most important thing. And that means we have to embrace this guidance. We have to take this guidance. And it does not mean that, okay, let's only pray 5 times a day when masjids are full, mashallah, during Ramadan. And then after that, it feels like, you know, the now there is no prayer. So prayer was also only obligatory in Ramadan only. No, it should not be like this. We need to continue. But yes, the important thing is the revelation of the Quran. So as all of you said very, very rightly, that we should use this month to get more closer to Quran and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and pray to him for us to get guidance.